Good morning. Today I wanted to see if I could make my own 3D point data. As you know, a lot of you should know that NGA makes a lot of elevation data. We use LiDAR and different things like that to do 3D point clouds. And so today I decided, yesterday and the last couple of days, to try to see if I could make my own 3D point cloud data at home. And so what I did is that I went and took one of my patio table, and I took over 171 pictures of my table. As you can see here, I just kind of put it in the street and photographed it at different angles. I then used a software package for photogrammetry called Agisoft Metashape. It's not a very expensive program. I'm just using the demo model that has 30 days. I'm on day 24, and so this is a product made for drones where you can process different images. And so I took these photos of this chair, and I put them in the project. See if that will load up. And so it's like 172 pictures. And then the software allows you to align the photos. Now I aligned these photos. I began about 2 days ago, and it took 24 hours to align those 171 photos. And then afterwards, I used it to build a dense cloud. And so this is what the cloud looked like. As you can see, it did find the table, and it did made kind of LiDAR-like points for the street and for within the table itself. So I can show you the final results of that project. Let's see if I can open up my work. So this is the table. It took quite a few hours. When I ran the points, I ran it for high quality, and when I decided to make the mesh and the texture, I decided to go with a lower quality. It still took quite a bit of time. I think the mesh itself took 4 to 8 hours. I kind of let it run when I went to bed. And so if you look at the model, this is the actual final model of that table, just taking 171 photos, building a point model, a point cloud at high quality, and then building the mesh at a lower quality. So my poor laptop wouldn't spend like 48 hours of just cranking data. And so it was a fun project to do, and very learned a lot in the process, and make your own terrain data set. The other day I took some Esri drone imagery from one of their courses and did the same thing, and made landscape data for like an asphalt yard. And so it's definitely a product to check out if you're looking for things to play with at home.